Hello everybody, in this video I'll be demonstrating an Inkscape extension I wrote called Ellipse by 5 points. You can get the download link in the description, and here's how it works. You draw a path with 5 control points, then you go to Extensions, Generate from Path, Ellipse by 5 points. It does some math and gives you back an ellipse that goes through all 5 of the points that you provided. So this extension doesn't care what your path actually looks like, it's only looking at the positions of the control points. So I can draw some crazy path like this, run the extension, and it still gives me back the correct ellipse. Now the main thing to be aware of when you're using this extension is you want to have your control points spread out as much as possible around the border of the ellipse. To show you why that is, I've got an example over here where I didn't do that, so you can see what goes wrong. So I'm trying to use these points to get the shape of the pupil, but when I run the extension, it comes back with this error message, could not find an ellipse that passes through the provided points. What this means is when the extension went and set up all of its equations and everything, the math came back with no solution, meaning there's no possible way to draw an ellipse that will go through all 5 of these exactly. Now the reason that I'm having trouble here is since these points are so close to being in a straight line, they don't really provide that much information about the overall shape of the ellipse, which means the exact positioning of each point is very important. So maybe this point is off by half a pixel and that's what's throwing off the math. Now I can try to adjust this like so and rerun the extension. Now you can see this time it found a solution, but if I zoom out, it's not quite the solution I was looking for. Now I could sit here for a while adjusting these points by tiny amounts in various directions, trying to get it exactly right to match the pupil. But what I normally do instead is just sort of guess at where the original shape is going. So, it probably curves around something like this, so I could stick a point up here to give the extension a little bit more information. So now that I've done that, I run the extension, and it comes back with a solution that is actually pretty reasonable and matches the original shape pretty well. Alright, so that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this, and thanks for watching.